Cloning Video by Claire Obrecht, Savannah Pittman. Cloning. Cloning is a technique scientists use to create exact genetic replicas of genes, cells, or animals. When news broke out in 1997, the scientists had cloned a sheep. The world reacted in shocked amazement and fear over the possibility of human cloning. The cloning facts below will help you learn about what living things have been cloned, how cloning works, the ethics behind cloning, laws regarding cloning, and other cloning-related facts. We hope these cloning facts are interested and help you learn more about the biotechnology. Cloning is a technique scientists use to make exact genetic copies of living things. Genes, cells, tissue, and even whole animals can be cloned. At a small research institute in Scotland, scientists had achieved something previously thought impossible. They had cloned an adult animal by transferring its DNA into an egg cell. The result was a fluffy, white-coated lamb named Dolly that was a carbon copy of her donor parent. At the height of the Human Genome Project, large facilities with automated machines were generating DNA sequences at the rate of 1,000 nucleotides per second around the clock. Some clones already exist in nature. Single-celled organisms like bacteria make exact copies of themselves each time they reproduce. In humans, identical twins are similar to clones. They share almost the exact same genes. Identical twins are created when a fertilized egg splits in two. Dolly's birth was a major scientific achievement, but the groundbreaking implications of cloned cells in medicine and agriculture were quickly overshadowed by the specter of human cloning. The cover of Time asked, "Will there ever be another you?" Cloning is an artificial process of producing genetically identical organisms using biotechnology. There are several single-cell and multicellular organisms that naturally produce clones via asexual reproduction. Scientists also make clones in the lab. They often clone genes in order to study and better understand them. To clone a gene, researchers take DNA from a living creature and insert it into a crew like bacteria or yeast. Every time that crew reproduces, a new copy of genes is made. In the 1990s, the goal of cloning research was to make millions of copies of farm animals or household pets. And certainly not to clone humans. Animal cloning was seen as a promising tool for developing cures and therapies for human diseases. Asexual reproduction doesn't require two parents. The offspring is created from just one parent. There are three modern methods for artificial cloning, and they are gene cloning, reproductive cloning, and therapeutic cloning. To support my claim that cloning is a technique scientists use to create exact genetic replicas of genes, cells, or animals, when news broke out in 1997 that scientists had cloned a sheep, the world reacted in shocked amazement and fear over the possibility of human cloning. The cloning fact about the cloning facts below will help you learn about what living things have been cloned, how cloning works, the ethics behind cloning, laws regarding cloning, and other cloning-related facts. We hope that these cloning facts were interesting and helped you learn more about this biotechnology. Furthermore, using enclosure impacts as one key evidence to support my claim. And these were the links that we used to do this.